The universe's biggest mysteries, 10 strange phenomena. Science can't explain the vanishing star. In 6946b H1. In 2009, astronomers noticed a brilliant star fade away. It wasn't destroyed by a violent supernova. It simply vanished. A cosmic light switched off without a trace. For centuries, we believed massive stars die in blazing explosions, but this one defied that rule. Its light dimmed until it disappeared completely. No debris, no dust, no echo of its death. Scientists think the star may have collapsed directly into a black hole. No bang, just a silent implosion, pulling even its own light inside. A death so quiet, the universe barely noticed. Years later, the region still shows nothing, not a flicker. It's as if that star slipped out of existence, or maybe into another reality we can't yet see.
No, everything says on.
The universe can erase even its brightest lights without warning. That's the mystery of the vanishing star. Number 2. The cold spot, a glitch in the Big Bang. Across the afterglow of the Big Bang lies a strange anomaly, a patch of space that's inexplicably colder than the rest of the universe. Scientists call it the cold spot. First detected in 2004, this area spans 1.8 billion light-years. Too vast to be a random fluctuation. Something, or nothing, is distorting the ancient light that reaches us. Some scientists believe a massive supervoid lies there, a region nearly empty of matter, bending light and energy. Others whisper a wilder idea, that the cold spot is the scar left by another universe colliding with ours long ago. If true, it could be the first physical evidence of a multiverse, proof that countless universes once brushed against ours, leaving behind a frozen fingerprint in time. Some mysteries are written not in stars, but in silence. The cold spot remains one of the quietest puzzles of the cosmos. Number 3. Dark matter. The invisible web of the universe. Everything we see, planets, stars, galaxies, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest is something unseen, untouchable, dark matter.
Note the precise location of the
Decades
galactic
ago,
center here.
scientists noticed
Calibration
galaxies
is-
spinning too fast. By all logic, they should fly apart. Something massive, invisible, must be holding them together. Today, we know dark matter forms a hidden skeleton of the cosmos, a vast web that shapes galaxies and bends light itself. We can map its influence, but we've never seen the substance. Every year, experiments dig deeper underground, hoping to capture even a single dark matter particle. But nothing yet. It hides beyond every sensor we build. Until we find it, most of the universe will remain invisible, a ghostly framework holding everything we know together. Number 4. The Great Attractor. The hidden force pulling the Milky Way. Every second, our galaxy hurtles through space at over 2 million kilometers per hour. Not drifting randomly, but being pulled by something unseen. Astronomers call it the Great Attractor.
The rotation speed is constant.
In the
even
late
at
20th
outer
century,
That's
astronomers
impossible,
noticed
according to
galaxies across hundreds of millions of light years were moving in the same direction, as if something massive was dragging them toward an invisible center. This mysterious region lies behind the Milky Way's dense core, a cosmic blind spot astronomers call the zone of avoidance. We can't see what's there, but its gravitational pull is undeniable. Some believe the Great Attractor is part of an immense network of superclusters, a gravitational basin shaping the motion of entire galaxies. Others think it's something far stranger, a massive void creating the illusion of attraction. Whatever it is, it's pulling our galaxy and us toward a destination we may never reach. Number 5. Quantum entanglement. Spooky action at a distance. In the invisible realm of quantum physics, two particles can become linked so completely that what happens to one instantly affects the other, even across galaxies. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. At first, physicists thought this was impossible, that information couldn't travel faster than light. But experiment after experiment proved it's real. Entangled particles behave as one, no matter the distance. The question is, how? Some believe the particles share hidden variables. Others think entanglement happens outside of space and time itself. It may be our first glimpse into the true nature of reality. Quantum entanglement is now used in cutting-edge science, from teleporting data to creating unhackable communication systems. It's no longer theory. It's technology born from the strangest truth in physics. Two particles, one universe, and a mystery that might connect us all. Number 6. Black holes that sing. The sound of space. For centuries, we thought space was silent. But in 2003, NASA discovered something extraordinary. A black hole singing a note 57 octaves below middle C. The sound waves came from gas swirling around a supermassive black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster. Vibrations in the very fabric of space. Each wave took millions of years to travel.
The frequency shift here correlates perfectly with the gamma spike.
Look at the waveform. It's repeating. We need to isolate that signal now.
These songs aren't sounds we can hear. They're changes in density and pressure, translated into frequencies we can visualize. It means space isn't silent after all. It's filled with ancient echoes. Every galaxy, every cluster, may be humming its own tune, a cosmic orchestra playing since the dawn of time. Number 7. Time slips. When time fails to flow across the world, people claim to have stepped through time, to moments from the past or future, without machines, portals, or reason. They call them time slips. In Liverpool, 1996, a man named Frank saw the world change around him. Shop signs, cars, even people dressed from the 1950s. Minutes later, it was gone. No one could explain it. Are these hallucinations, memory glitches, or something deeper? Moments when timelines overlap. Some physicists say time is not a river, but a landscape. Maybe, sometimes, we simply take the wrong turn. If time is truly layered, then every moment, past and future, still exists, waiting to be crossed again. Maybe time isn't lost. It's simply waiting for us to find it again. Number 8. The Mandela Effect. When reality remembers. Wrong millions remember events that never happened, logos that changed, movie lines that don't exist, even celebrities who supposedly died long before they actually did. This strange phenomenon is called the Mandela Effect.
They document the exact same event, but they are completely different.
It began when people insisted Nelson Mandela died in prison in the 1980s, decades before his real death in 2013. They remembered the funeral, the speeches, everything. But history said otherwise. From brand names to movie lines, entire groups of people share the same false memories. Are these coincidences or signs of alternate realities bleeding together?
No, I am your father.
Psychologists say it's collective memory error, how our brains rewrite the past to fit patterns. But quantum theorists whisper another idea. We might be remembering fragments from a different timeline. If reality can shift without warning, how can we ever be sure which world we're in? Number 9. The WOW signal, the message from the stars. On August 15th, 1977, a powerful signal from deep space hit a radio telescope in Ohio. It lasted just 72 seconds. One scientist circled it and wrote a single word in the margin: wow. The signal came from the direction of Sagittarius, on a frequency scientists called the hydrogen line, a natural cosmic channel that intelligent life might use to communicate. For decades, scientists tried to find it again. They never did. No satellite, no comet, no interference could explain it. It was there, and then it was gone. Was it a message from another world, or a rare natural event we don't yet understand? Either way, it changed how humanity listens to the stars. The universe spoke just for 72 seconds, and we're still listening. Number 10. The simulation hypothesis. Are we living in a code? What if everything you see, every sound, every touch, isn't real at all? What if reality itself is a simulation? Philosophers and scientists argued that advanced civilizations could run entire simulated universes, complete with conscious beings who don't know they're simulated. That could mean us. Some physicists believe the universe's smallest particles act like digital pixels, discrete, measurable units of information. Others point to cosmic coincidences that feel programmed. If we truly live in a simulation, what happens when the programmers turn their attention elsewhere? Would we notice the lag, the glitches, the rewrite of our own reality? Maybe the question isn't if we're simulated, but why someone created us at all.